Hello everyone! It's Olivia. Today in this tutorial you will learn how to draw a baby shark. Now I'm drawing the tail of the baby shark. Drawing baby shark is very simple. Please try to draw with me. Let's draw the lower fin. Do you know the Baby Shark song? I really enjoy listening to the Baby Shark song. And I'm drawing the eye of the baby shark. Let's finish the mouth of the baby shark. Finally, drawing the main fin. Look, baby shark tail is moving. Wow, it's look beautiful. Kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel for more drawing videos. See you in the next drawing video.